Good morning students. Today's topic is singly reinforced beam by working stress method. So beams are flexural members which are provided in the structure to resist bending. So beams are of two types, rectangular beams and flanged beams. So rectangular beams, they may be singly reinforced or doubly reinforced, and T beams and L beams, they are flanged beams. So then singly reinforced beam, the RCC beam in which steel reinforcement is provided only in tension zone are known as singly reinforced beam. So say simply supported beam and due to loading the beam bends like this. So it bends like this. So in simply supported beam, this is simply supported beam. So in case of the simply supported beam, the tensile stresses are developed in the bottom portion and compressive stresses are developed in the top portion of the beam. So but in case of the cantilever beam like this, so this is cantilever beam. In the cantilever beam, it bends like this. So T and so in case of the cantilever beam, tensile stresses are developed in the top portion of the beam and compressive stresses are developed in the bottom portion of the beam. So then next is assumptions made in the theory of simple bendings for RCC beams. So various assumptions in theory of simple bending for RCC beams. So first is concrete is homogeneous. Second, at any cross section, sections which are plane before bending remain plane after bending. So it means strain varies linearly from the neutral axis. So 3, the tensile strength of the concrete is ignored. It means tension is entirely taken by steel and none by concrete. 4, the modulus of elasticity of steel and modulus of elasticity of concrete are constant. So 5, there is perfect bond between steel and concrete and no slip takes place. 6, the steel area is concentrated at the centroid of the steel area. So 7, concrete on tension side is assumed to be ineffective. 8, there are no initial stresses in steel and concrete. So 9, so the modular ratio M has the value 280 upon 3 sigma CBC, where sigma CBC is permissible compressive stress in concrete in bending. So then section of singly reinforced beam. So this is singly reinforced beam. So this is the cross section of singly reinforced beam. So D is the capital D is the overall depth of the beam, small d is the effective depth of the beam, and N is the depth of the neutral axis from top. AST is the cross section area of steel in tension. So NA means neutral axis. So neutral axis it is an imaginary axis which divides the cross section of the beam into two zones, compression zone and tension zone. So this is compression zone and below the neutral axis is tension zone. So this is the cross section of simply supported beam, singly reinforced. So and the neutral axis, imaginary axis which divides the cross section of the beam into two zones, compression zone and tension zone. The stresses are zero at this axis, and neutral axis is always situated at the center of gravity of the section. And the location of the neutral axis in RCC beam depends upon the amount of steel provided in the tension zone. The depth of the neutral axis from top increases with increase in the quantity of the steel reinforcement. So then permissible stresses in concrete and steel. In concrete and steel. So the permissible stresses are obtained by dividing the ultimate strength of concrete or yield strength of steel by the factor of safety. So factor of safety, so FOS means factor of safety. So factor of safety for concrete factor of safety for concrete in compression, in bending, its value is 3, and factor of safety for steel in tension, its value is 1.78. So the factor of safety is higher for concrete than steel because there are greater chances of variation of strength of concrete due to various concrete operations like mixing, transportation, placing, compaction and curing of concrete. But the chances of variation of strength of steel are less because it is fabricated in factories where good workmanship and better quality control is possible. So the actual strength of the concrete in structure may deviate from that found from the test results as compared to steel. Thank you.